Hello everyone. In this video we will be looking for pivot charts. But first you need to know about what exactly the difference between pivot chart and the normal chart. See, normal charts are not flexible but pivot charts are very much flexible. Second thing, normal chart give you the detailed data but pivot chart gives you the summarized or subtotal representation of data. First of all, understand the data. I have multiple columns, that is product name, the salesman name, region name, unit and amount. To create pivot chart is very simple. Just you need to keep your cursor in between the data. After you need to select insert tab, and in insert tab you can see there is a pivot table option and a drop down button. You need to click it and now you have to select pivot chart. Now see, it is asking me two questions. First question is select a table or range. Now you can see the dancing ends of my data. It automatically selects my data. And the second question is where you want to create your pivot chart. That is on new worksheet or existing. I am going to select existing sheet. Now I have to select the location. Suppose I am going with this location and press OK. Now you can see this is the blank chart, blank pivot chart. I just need to select these fields and drop in this area so that it can plot the chart according to my requirement. Suppose I want the name should be on the axis, right? After that I am going to select the regions on this legend field and I want to plot the amount in between the area. Now see, it gives me the name and the region. You can see this blue color is for east, this red color is for north, green color is for south, and these are the names of salesman. Now suppose I want to check the reason wise sales only, not the name of the salesman. So I have to just select the name from here and drop it back. Now you can see this is the reason wise sales. Again, if you want the sales of only north and south region, so you can take only north and south region and click OK. You can see the sales of this north and south region. Suppose I am going to select all again. Now click OK. Now suppose I want to see the product wise and region wise sales. So I have to select this product option and drop here. Now you can see this is the product wise and region wise sales. Now suppose I want product wise, region wise and the name of salesman wise report. So I can drag this name in this box. Now you can see this is my product wise, name wise and region wise sales. That Sagar sold board in south region and west region. Aman sold chair in east region, south region and west region. So in this way you can create your pivot chart according to your requirement. Now suppose I want to change the color of my chart. So double click on the chart, anywhere on the chart, then you can see there are lots of color combination options. You can select any color combination. Suppose I am going to select it. Now see, it changes the color of my chart. Now suppose I want to change the chart layout, then you have to click here chart layout group and select any layout. Suppose I'm going to select this layout. Now it is asking the chart title, x-axis name, y-axis name. So you can change it according to your requirement. It is same as the normal chart option. That's it for this video.